Hi, kindergartners. I hope you're having a good Monday. Let's have a good math meeting today. First, do you know how many days there are in a week? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? There are 7 days in a week. Let's do the song that helps us remember the days of the week. Ready? There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. And I said at the beginning of this video, what day is it today again? Here's your hint. Yesterday was Sunday. If yesterday was Sunday, that makes today Monday, right? First school day of the week. Today is Monday. Say that. Ready? I'll say it and then you say it. Today is Monday. All right. Let's move on to our months of the year. How many months are there in a year again? Do you remember? Yeah, there's 12 months in a year. 12 months in the year. Go ahead and stand up on the ground and then you can do the song and the dance with me that helps us remember our months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Good job, 5K. You can have a seat. And can you tell me what month we are in right now? Do you remember which of those months we are in? Yeah, it's October. We're in October, right about in the middle of it, aren't we? Let's take a look at what day exactly in October. So we go to our calendar, and yesterday was the 18th, 1/8. So what's today going to be? Let's count this out together. We're gonna start from 10, okay? We're gonna start from 10 and we'll get to today and figure out what today is. Ready? Count with me from 10. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, today is the 19th. And what two numbers are in a 19? Yeah, a 1 and a 9. Has to be the 1 first, right? Not 9, 1, 1, 9. And what shape is today going to be? Remember, our pattern is rectangle, circle, circle. So say the pattern with me starting from this one, and we can figure out what comes next for today, okay? Start here with me. Ready? Rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle. Yeah, so today is going to be a rectangle. Remember, a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and a 19 is made up of a 1 and a 9. So October 19th is today. All right, now that we know what today is, let's move on to writing our date. So go ahead and grab your whiteboard or piece of paper if you would like to write the date along with me. That would be awesome. I'd love to see that. Great writing practice. So today's date is, what comes first whenever we write the date? Yeah, the month always comes first. And what month did we say again? Yep, October. October is our month. So let's write that together. What is our first letter in October? Do you remember? Yep, it's an O. Remember, October. So go ahead and make your capital O, because it's capital for month, right? So go ahead and make a capital O. And make sure that your O, you can tell that it's bigger than all the rest when you write it on your paper, because it's capital, right? All right. So what's our next letter? What letter makes that sound? Yeah, C, a lowercase c. So go ahead and make a lowercase c. And try to make it half as big as your capital O. All right. What letter makes that sound? Yep, A T does. And just make yours a regular T without that tail. So go ahead and make a line from top to bottom and then cross on vanilla in the middle there for your T. All right, what do we have next? We have octo. What letter is this? Yeah, that's a lowercase o. A little o, and we also have a big O. There's two O's in October. But make this one lowercase, so I should be able to tell the difference between your little o, your lowercase o, and your big O, your uppercase one. All right. October. What letter makes that b sound? Yeah, that's a B. That's a B. And B's are always a line from top to bottom, and you give it a belly to the right, like that. So go ahead and make your B. And October. These last two letters go together. They're special because they make that sound when they're together. And do you remember what this letter is? This is a lowercase e, and this is a lowercase r. So go ahead and make your ER on your paper as well. To make a lowercase e, you go to the right, and then you make a C. And it should be a small letter like that. And then your last letter is going to be an R, which is just from vanilla to the bottom, and then you give it a little hook like that, October. And now we're done with our month. So, all right. And what day did we say we were in again? Yep, the 19th. So go ahead and make a nice, neat 19 on your paper. One first, right? For all the teens, remember, the 1 comes first. And then your 9 is a circle and a line. And then make sure you make it with the circle to the left. Don't make it backwards, like that. All right, what do we need to separate the day from the year? What can we not forget? It's something that's small. Yeah, your cute little comma. Don't forget your comma. Go ahead and make your sideways smile right after your 19, right at the bottom there. And the last thing we need is our year. That's right. So, what year are we in again? 2020, that's right. So, let's make it. What is the first number in 2020? Yep, it's a 2. So go ahead and make a 2, curve around, and slide to the right on the bottom. And what comes next? A 0. Go ahead and make your 0. Try to make all your numbers the same size if you can. And what comes next? 2, 0. Another 2, right? So go ahead and make another 2, curving around and sliding to the right. And what's the last number again? Yep, another 0. So go ahead and make that last 0. And now we've written our date for today. So you know what time it is. Grab your marker or your microphone, whatever you want to use for it, and you can announce the date with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 19th, 2020. Good job, Fab Kid. Thanks for doing that with me. You can now take a look at the yellow number line down at the bottom. That keeps track of our days in school. So far, at the end of last week, we had 35 days in school. So that means that today, what would we be up to? If you said we're up to 36 now, you would be right, remember? After 5 comes 6, so that's our ones place, and our tens place is still in the 30s. So we have a 3 for the tens place and a 6 for the ones place, 36. All right. And then I will quickly color in our 36th square for our 36th day of online school. And that is filled in right there. All right, let's move on to our tens and ones for 36. So I will turn the camera so you can see that. Up here, we said it before, what number is in the tens place? The 3 or the 6? Yep, the 3 is. So I write the 3 up here. And then which number is in the ones place? The 6, right? All right, that's done. Let's look at our pattern for today. What kind can you tell me, is this an AB or an ABB pattern? Let's read it. Read it with me, ready? 9, 4, 4. Is this an AB or an ABB pattern? This would be an ABB pattern because it has that repeat of the 4, right? We say it twice. So let's finish our pattern. You can write this on your whiteboards too if you want to finish it with me. What would come next in our pattern of 9, 4, 4? What would come here? Yep, we'd be back to the beginning, so we'd have a 9. So if you're writing this with me, go ahead and make a circle and a line for number 9, like that. And to make a 4, the next number is 4, obviously, right? A 4. When you write your 4, make sure that you go down, slide right, and then cut it in 2. I noticed that sometimes we accidentally write our 4s backwards. So go ahead and make your last 4, because that's the ABB part of it, right? The repeat of it. So make another 4, down, slide right, and cut it in 2 like that. So let's read it all together to double check our work, and because we always want to double check our work, right? Read it with me, ready? 9, 4, 4, 9, 4, 4. Very good, we got it right, didn't we? Okay, now we actually get to do something new this week for math meeting. After our pattern, I'm going to take this down, and we're going to start something new. It's called Coin Cup. Coin Cup it's called. And that's where we have a special number of coins in our coin cup, and we get to count them together, and then we write in here how much money is in the coin cup. So I have some pennies in here. Do you remember how much money is in a penny? How much a penny is worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. That's right. So what I'm going to do, I'll turn this so you can see it. I'll hold this in my other hand, and I'll put them in here. So you count with me as I count the pennies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies. All right. And then what we'll do is we put 5 pennies to show on here that we have 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since they're all pennies, they're all worth 1 cent. We write a 1 above each penny. And then we're going to write 5 down and around, give it a hat, cents. That's how much money we have in our coin cup for today. So you'll get more used to that as we do that more this week. So, all right, let's quickly do our weather, our last part for today. All right, let's sing the weather song together, okay? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? All right. So my phone said that it was going to be rainy today on a rainy Monday. So if it's not rainy by your house, it's okay. It's just for our graph. So let's sing the rainy song. Ready? It's a rainy, it's a rainy, it's a rainy, rainy day. It's a rainy, it's a rainy, it's a rainy, rainy day. Oh, that's okay. So we have one rainy day, lots of cloudy days, and then sunny days are in the middle right now. We'll talk about that more tomorrow. Let's do our shapes really fast, and that'll be our last thing for today for math meeting. What shape is this? Yep, a triangle. It's got 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. How about this one? Yep, a circle all the way around, no sides. That's a circle. How about this one? This is a square, 4 sides, and they're all the same length. And finally, rectangle, right? 2 long sides and 2 short sides. All right, thank you, kindergartners. I hope you have a good rest of your day, good rest of your Monday. Thank you.